Hi everybody, today I'm going to show my new homemade project, which is homemade RC tank that's in fact able to shoot bullets. This is the magazine. I made it here from aluminum plate, as we see here. This is a roller of the same thickness aluminum plates. This is the magazine, as we see here. Contains 7 bullets, 12mm diameter. Now I am in the manufacturing process. This will be fit there and feed the cannon through this port. This is the cannon I made. Contains this long tube, and this is a MG995 servo motor, which I converted it to rotate for 360 degrees. So contains inside this tube there is a pulling type spring, and I've added this lever for it, and I attached this rod to the spring to act as a pushing member inside the cannon. So this servo will turn and pull this spring, then lift it in this process, in this rotary process, to push the bullets. Let's turn on it and see what's happening. Let's see what happens here. Let's put this bullet and see what happens. Okay, let's make it work. Okay, as I said, I still in the manufacturing process. Okay, it works. Yes, it shoots. He is shooting now. I don't know if you see it, but he shoots. Yes, it works. It is a 4-volt battery. This is the magazine. I've added this rubber band to increase the force. Thank you very much.